trades on the day, the trading system signals. We've been doing a lot of research, and so we haven't done the daily trading system signals, but this is what we're looking at for the stock index portfolio for April the 4th. Press conference today over Israel, geopolitical concerns. Market sells off after a massive gap up, big time reversal in the market. Just when we thought that the market was going to bounce on anything, it may not bounce on this. So let's look at, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strategies in this workspace that are down on the day, but the net profit is up on the day because the big short here in momentum reversal. This is a strategy that's a lot different than a lot of our other strategies, and so it does really well on days like today when the other strategies fail. And so overall, we're looking at about a $1,000 gain on the day in the NASDAQ based on these 6 strategies on this big sell-off down. The NASDAQ is down 1%. We're not trading live right now. We're waiting for a drawdown. So we're going to go over the signals, though. And so that is what we're seeing. Up about 1,000 on the NASDAQ, down 625 on the S&P. See a lot of gaps in this market. Low VIX environment. VIX is spiking up, though. And so not sure really what's going on based on the press conference. Gold minus 1,025. Silver plus 475, and so up a little bit on the day on this price action. And so sometimes this price action, if you're long only, will crush you. But today we're up based on the signals are up today based on this. Let's look at the micros. Same thing, similar in the micros, minus 6250 on Cobra 3, and then same thing here on these strategies. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strategies down the day. And then you have the big winner on the short, which the first trade was a loser, and the second trade's a huge winner so far, unless this reverses. There's about 40 minutes left in the session, and so we'll see how this works out. And then the micros. Now, SIL is like the equivalent of trading 2 micros. So plus 97.50, minus 102.50. Let's look at the $1 million, 110 strategy MNS. So maybe the market will bounce here. Maybe it will crash through. Currently net short up about $12,000 on the $1 million portfolio today. Again, we're not trading it live yet. We're waiting to go live, and we will we'll go live when we get the right drawdown entry signal. And so a lot of our drawdown was just in the NASDAQ, while a lot of the other markets were up. EVP-1 up 4,500. And then AT 2022 minus 725, minus 825 on TickWave, minus 570 on Cobra 3. Going over the NASDAQ strategies first. Those are the trend strategies. They're counter trend strategies right here. Big short momentum reversal plus 6,200, plus 2,300 on VSD mean reversion. And the second counter trend workspace is RSI minus 6,000, V reversal 5, minus 2,025. Overnight strategies in the NASDAQ, minus 1,025, plus 50, minus 1,180. And then VSD long short is plus 5,380. These strategies were looking good. I made a video earlier. Looking good up here at the highs. And then minus 1625 right here on VSD NQ. And then now let's go over to the S&P. Then we'll look at gold and crude oil and silver. Cobra 3 down, minus 625, minus 1225 on DTM4. Trend strategies are just really failing in this type of market right now, going through a drawdown. Tick count trend, minus 2,300. Tick count trend 1 minute is, these are 2 different versions. Tick count trend, minus 2,300. Minus 425. This is plus 3162.50 though, so that makes up for it. It balances it out, balances those losers out. Nice short there, and this one's been on a nice winning streak. This is a counter trend strategy calling some good moves in this market. And counter trend 2 workspace, momentum reversal plus 3,900 on that trade right there. And then after hours 3.0 plus 425. And let's look at gold now. Gold strategies were doing really well today. The SR counter trends were 8 for 10. You see all the SR counter trends all hitting profit targets. 8 for 10 on the SR counter trends. These two were the losers. Asia Gold was down minus 1,025. And then you have Gold Flash coming in here plus 675, catching that fast mean reversion trade. Silver SR counter trends were, let's see, they were 9 for 9. And copper, no trades on the day for copper. Crude oil, SR counter trends were 2 out of 4, plus 325, plus 475, minus 95, minus 225. Gap fill fade, minus 525. And crude oil is spiking. Gold and silver are spiking. Natural gas, no trades on the day. Let's look at coffee. I have multiple computers that I RDP into to keep all these strategies running. And you see coffee, all the coffee SR counter trends are doing well. This one's plus 41.25 on all these 312.50, 41.25. So the SR counter trends are really doing well today. These are my all strategy access workspaces right down here, and it's close to the end of the day, not the end of the day results, but let's look at these shorts again. It's pretty big shorts, EVP-1 if this holds. And then the momentum reversal plus 67.60 and VSD MR. So, and then you have this. Those 4 strategies are still short on the 110 strategy portfolio. The Nasdaq's really been difficult lately, and so a big move like this kind of puts it back in line. And the reason we haven't gone live this month is we're waiting for a drawdown. But I don't want all the drawdown to be just on the Nasdaq while all the other strategies are at equity peaks, and so. This is where we are, an interesting twist to the market with the press conference today. I'm still not sure of all the details, but we continue to track our strategies and how the events in the world affect the markets. And so these are the trading system signals on the day for April the 4th, 2024. Tomorrow is Jobs Friday. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.